Namaste. I am assuming you're here because you have bitten the bullet and you have bought yourself the wonderful BOYA microphone and WMD, weapon of mass destruction, BOYA-WM3D, and you've plugged it into your iPhone, done your first recording, and then you've decided to yourself, well, I'll hit play and I'll have a look at what the sound sounds like, and you hit play and there's no sound. And you're thinking, what is going on? Well, maybe you're not thinking that, maybe you're not dumb like me, but if you are a little bit technically challenged, the biggest problem, of course, is that with the transmitter and receiver in play, if you've got the receiver plugged into your phone, which is the bit that goes in the phone for this microphone, the phone sees it as a headphone. So that's why you can't hear the sound on the recording. So there is sound there. So if you want to replay your video, unplug the receiver from the phone, and once the receiver is unplugged, you'll be able to hear the sound that's on the video. Okay, so there's no problem with actually pairing with the phone. You only need to get the microphone and the receiver, which is on the phone over here, plugged in and with lights that are solid. So you can either pair it in the box, it tells you how to do that, but if you take it out and do a long press on the transmitter, on the on button, when the light's flashing, it means it's not paired. As soon as the two lights go solid, the one on the receiver and the one on the microphone, you know you've got sound and it's all working. And it's very simple to pair, and it's only 250 odd bucks or something, so it's very, very cheap to buy. So so far, I'm giving it a big thumbs up. And this is not an endorsed commercial situation, because I don't get paid for this anymore.
I've been wanting to up production quality for the videos that I make. Obviously, I don't want to be spending hours and hours editing videos and whatnot, but it would be nice if the production quality was a little bit higher. So what I've done is I have purchased myself one of these wireless microphones. Basically, it means hopefully the sound quality is a little bit better, and also that it means I can move around without the sound varying too much. Now, my way of making these videos is basically everything happening through the phone. It happens a lot quicker that way, and I can film as I'm doing something as I go, and then later on I edit in the phone. I'll be doing a quick unboxing of this, and maybe if you're looking at purchasing a microphone of this type, it might be helpful. I've already done the unboxing, folks, and of course, you know, what normally happens is you know, the footage is unusable and you've stuffed it up, and so this is going to be down and dirty unboxing, but this is the box it comes in. It's well packaged, I've got to say. Look, it took its time arriving, but that's only because at the moment Telstra has been completely overwhelmed by number of parcels they're having delivered because of COVID here in Sydney lockdown. Thanks, Gladys. So yeah, it's really professionally packaged. I'm really happy with how that's all done. You know, packaging is wonderful. And what you get with this device is, within the USB-C cable that they send you, you get this lovely little fluffy, what they call a dead cat. And this is obviously to use on windy days when you're outdoors, but you also get another type of microphone cover. So the thing comes with a USB-C type cable for plugging in. And so the USB-C cable goes in the back there of this case. Very nice looking case, and when you open it, you've got all of your devices there. You've got a little microphone cover that can go on your microphone, and you've also got a transmitter, place for transmitters and receivers. You've got a lightning cable and two of these cables that could plug into a camera. I think one's for just your standard stereo and the other one's stereo plus microphone situation, or I'm not actually sure, to be quite honest, but there's two different types. So I think they've covered all bases there. If you want to buy this for a Android phone, it's also available as Android. This is the Lightning version because it's being used on my iPhone 7. So I've got to say, thumbs up. Thus far, very, very happy with this product.
So this is the audio with the microphone. And like I said, talking straight at the telephone, it probably doesn't make a huge amount of difference. And I haven't put the little windsocky thing on it yet. We may not need it if we're indoors. So what the beauty of this, of course, is that if I'm demonstrating something from somewhere else in the room, hopefully I'll be able to leave my seat or move around the room and because I'm hoping that when I have more time and I'm producing more interesting content, especially say over the Christmas holidays, when I may have a little bit more time to take a deep breath and do something else besides the university work, this microphone will come into its own. So hopefully that's going to improve the production values ever so slightly. It won't stop me from going every second word. It won't stop me from editing really badly. But it's a step in the right direction, and that's all you can do. Baby step towards that magic number of 1,000 subscribers. So remember, like and subscribe, because I'm only asking you to press a button. It's not that difficult. It doesn't cost you anything. If you don't press the notification button, it's not going to annoy you. It's not like getting junk mail in your inbox. So do an old guy a favor, make his day, press the subscribe button, and and come and see what I'm up to, because I'm going to make it more interesting, I promise. It's only a matter of time.